Good day everyone. We are Group 2 and let's talk about Mimaropa Region 4B. Mimaropa Region 4B is located in the southern Luzon in Philippines and includes the province Oriental Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, Palawan, Marinduque, and Romblon. The region is known for its rich biodiversity, pristine beaches, and natural resources. Its economy is driven by agriculture, fishing, and tourism with key ports like Puerto Princesa facilitating trade and travel, covering about 26,606 kilometers. Mimaropa is a hub for ecotourism and cultural heritage. Its island and marine sanctuaries make it one of the country's its islands and marine sanctuaries make it one of the country's most scenic regions. Thank you.
Highlighting the Mimaropa Region 4B. For the population, according to the Philippine Statistics Authority, the Mimaropa region has a population of around 3.2 million people based on the latest census. The Mimaropa region has a relatively small and scattered population. People mostly live in rural and coastal communities. For the local government units, Mimaropa is composed of provinces like Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. Each province has its own municipalities and barangays.
It is part of the Mimaropa region and makes up the western half of Mindanao Islands. It is bounded by the Mindoro Strait, west, and Verde Islands Passage, north. The province features varied terrain, coastal plains, mountains, and important marine areas, such as Apo Reef, which is a well-known spot for diving. The size and population, it has a land area of around 5,879.8 square kilometers and 2,270.2 square miles. The population exceeds 500,000 with Mamburao serving as the capital. Agriculture and fishing are main economic activities with rice, corn, and fish as a major products.
Where to go on Occidental Mindoro? Number 1 is Apo Reef Natural Park. It's a beautiful marine reserve known for its clear blue waters and vibrant coral reefs. It's a great spot for snorkeling and diving where you can see color fish and sea turtles. Number 2 is Inasakan Beach. Inasakan Beach is a quiet, peaceful beach with soap, white, and calm waters. It's perfect for relaxing, swimming, and enjoying nature away from the busy crowds. Lastly is the Grace Island. It's a small, charming island with lovely beaches and great spots for snorkeling. It's offer a nice escape to enjoy the sun, sea, and simple island life.
Good day everyone. Today po I'm going to discuss the Oriental Mindoro. Oriental Mindoro is located in the Philippines under the Mimaropa region. It occupies the eastern part of the Mindoro Island with Occidental Mindoro on the west. It is surrounded by the Verde Island Passage north, Tagna Strait east, and Sibuyan Sea south, and the capital city is Calapan. The size and population of Oriental Mindoro has a total land area of about 400,364 square kilometers. As of the latest census, it has a population of around 908,000 people, with most residents living in towns in the capital, Calapan.
Good day everyone, I am Rainier Tiordinado. So where to go in Oriental Mindoro? First is the White Beach in Puerto Galera, a lovely white sand beach known for its clear water, fun activities, and vibrant nightlife. It's the most popular spot in Puerto Galera, perfect for both relaxing and socializing. Next is Aninuan Falls. It is a hidden waterfall surrounded by lush forests, offering a refreshing natural pool. It requires a short trek, making it ideal for adventure and nature lovers. Next is the Mountain Halcon, one of the toughest mountains to climb in the Philippines, known for its challenging trails and stunning summit views. Best for experienced hikers seeking a serious adventures.
Marinduque.
Geography and location. Marinduque is an island province in the Mimaropa region of the Philippines. It is located between Luzon and Mindoro and is surrounded by the Tayabas Bay and Sibuyan Sea. The province is known for its rolling hills, coastal areas, caves, and scenic islands, such as Maniwaya Island. It is also home to beautiful beaches and natural attractions, making it a growing tourist destination. Size and population. Marinduque has a land area of approximately 952 square kilometers. It has a population over 230,000 people. The capital of the province is Boac, which serves as the center of the government, trade, and culture. The province economy is mainly based on agriculture and fishing, with tourism gradually contributing to its development.
Where to go in Marinduque, beaches and island. Maniwaya Island, white sand, crystal clear water, and the famous Palad sandbar that appears at low tide. Poktoy White Beach, called a little Boracay, shallow warm water, affordable cottages, and a relaxed vibe. Opong Island, known for the iconic Bungabrak with a natural hole you can swim through. Tres Reyes Island, Gaspar Melchor Baltasar, and quiet island is beaches, 1,910 lighthouse on Baltasar plus kay Bangok, Cave Nervi.
Romblon. Geographic location. Romblon is located in the central part of the Philippines between Luzon and Visayas. It is surrounded by seas and is made up of several small islands. Land area size. Romblon has a total land area of about 1,533 square kilometers, consisting of islands like Tablas, Sibuyan, and Romblon Island. Population. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, Romblon has a population of about 308,000 people based on the 2020 census.
Good day everyone, my name is Ryan James. Today, we'll talk about where to go in Romblon. Bonbon Beach, famous for its sandbar that connects to a small islet during low tide. It offers crystal clear waters and great views. Binakot Beach, quiet pristine beach with white sand and calm waters, ideal for relaxation. Lastly, Bayagan Zipline, Tablas Island, a thrilling attraction known for its long 800-meter plus ride soaring over rolling hills and rice paddies, with sea views making it perfect for adventure seekers and those wanting scenic aerial perspective.
Is an active province found in western part of the Philippines. It is located between the West Philippine Sea and the Sulu Sea, and it stretches down from Luzon toward Borneo. Because of its long shape, it connects different parts of the country and is close to other nations. In terms of size, Palawan is very large. It is actually the biggest province in the Philippines, and it has a wide land area with different natural features like mountains, thick forests, and long coastlines. It also includes many small islands, which is why it's known as its beautiful beaches and rich natural environment. For its population, Palawan has more than 900,000 people. The people living there come from different backgrounds. Some are indigenous groups who have lived there for a long time, while others move from different parts of the Philippines. This mix of cultures makes Palawan diverse in tradition and way of life.
El Nido, Coron, and Puerto Princesa are the top places in Palawan, known for a beautiful nature. They offer clear lagoons, beaches, and lakes with activities like island hopping, snorkeling, diving, and exploring the underground river.